Hello, I'm Mauricio Moya, and I'm here to introduce you to Smartech, a Peruvian company that has begun operations in Boston in 2021. As a company, our focus is on offering our clients the confidence and security they are looking for through our smart home security systems. Our target clients are homeowners, families, and individuals who prioritize the safety and security of their homes and beloved ones, mainly seeking a reliable and quick to install solution. Today, Mr. Romero seeks reassurance and clarity after a burglary at his rental home. Despite using a low-quality security system, he now feels worried and vulnerable. He is looking to regain confidence in securing his home and seeks a simple explanation of our solutions to provide the enhanced security he needs for peace of mind. Since Mr. Romero has already been prospected, I will guide you through whiteboard selling, focusing on qualifying and presenting techniques. We'll showcase our system's standout features and benefits, address common concerns, and build a compelling case for why to make a change towards our solution. Let's see how this looks. Good afternoon, Mr. Romero. Welcome to Smartech.
Thank you, Mauricio. Thank you for having me here.
You're welcome. Please tell me what happened. I heard you got some sort of situation back home.
Yeah, I was installed. I'm pretty sad right now.
I'm so sorry to hear about that. But did you have any security systems already?
Yeah, I used to have one. It's called. I still have it. It's called Secure Max, but it doesn't work right now. I get wrong.
Right, I understand. So let's analyze your security system. What is the reliability level that you think?
Right now, zero. I get wrong. Yeah.
Okay, zero. I'm so sorry to hear that. What about the monitoring? Is it working? Do you have an emergency response?
I usually have, but doesn't work sometimes. The platform sometimes get crushed. So I will give a 2 or 3.
Okay, 2 or 3, somewhere around here. Interesting. What about the compatibility? Is it compatible with other devices or new devices?
No, it's really pretty old. I have it for 5 years, and I can get a new device to this.
So that would be like maybe 1, 2? 2, okay. 2. How was the user experience going for you? Very bad?
Yeah, very bad, yeah.
Okay, so...
2.
Also 2. Okay. Do you have real-time access and remote access, let's say from your phone or from your remote computer, at work, at school?
It gets crashed very bad. It says that it has, but it doesn't work really.
So maybe also...
A 0.
A 0, wow. Is there any other type of topic that you care about?
Cost.
You're choosing costs. Yes, very important topic to evaluate. Costs. Would you say, was it expensive or...
It was pretty cheap actually, like 4 or 5.
Okay. And any other matter that you take into account while deciding for security systems?
Someone that I don't used to have in the previous company, customer support.
Customer support. Perfect. Customer support. There you go. So let's evaluate one of these, but in terms of what you would like to have now, once we offer you our solution. Reliability, where would you want to?
I would like to feel 10.
A 10.
It's not good. The best thing is feel secure in your home.
The monitoring?
I actually don't really mind. Sometimes maybe a 6 or 7.
Okay, I think we can get there. The compatibility, is that important for you?
I used to believe that no, but yeah, I believe that right now I need maybe to plug a new device. Yeah, maybe a 7 or 8.
Okay, new devices, very important topic to cover. User experience.
Yeah, 10.
10 needs to be easy to use, of course. It's safety we're talking about. Real-time access and remote access.
Also a 10.
Also 10. Let's go to the top. The cost.
I can spend maybe until 7, 8 for a good, really reliable system.
So you don't want to hurt that much in terms of, investments. Of course. And the customer support.
I want 24 hours support any the time I need. So yeah, maybe a 9 or
live support, let's say, right? So right now you were, let's say, in
0.
In 0, and we're gonna go through a
9.
Okay, that's excellent. I'm glad to say that we can offer you something exactly for your needs. So you have come to the right place. In Smartech, we're specialized in offering these sort of solutions. Now I wanted to share with you some statistics about the security in your home. Did you know that you, compared to someone that has that doesn't have a security system, they have 3 times more chances to get robbed than you.
Actually,
so it's good that you have a security system. This is a 300% statistic. So if it was working right, then you would have maybe avoided the situation. But since we see that it's basically not working, we can consider you as those that don't have one, right? Then we also have the statistics of 60%. Did you know that these robberies occur from 10 through 3 p.m. in the day?
Well, actually, I didn't know that.
What time was your robbery?
I don't.
At noon. So you're right in the middle of the statistics, from 10 through 3 p.m. Moreover, we also know that 80% of the houses being robbed are rentals. What is your house?
Actually, it's rental, yeah.
So you're also within the statistic. What a coincidence, right?
Yeah.
And I don't want to get you more afraid or insecure, but did you know that also 50% of the times that a place gets robbed, the burglar comes back next week?
Well, I actually didn't know that.
Yeah, so there is a high chance that next weekend this same person comes back to break in, because he thinks that you haven't taken any decisions, any actions, or that you maybe are away because of feeling so insecure, that you left and want to feel maybe safer at your parents or maybe a hotel. So this situation has to be addressed now, today, where these systems are not working, where you have no security, no peace of mind, right?
Yeah, I mean, I feel helpless.
Exactly, helpless. But moreover, more important than that, you are still in risk. So we need to address this situation today because it's very important. There needs to be a change. And what are we offering you for tomorrow when we implement this solution? Exactly these criteria. We want to offer you reliability. We want to offer you monitoring services, so you have access, you can see whatever is going on in your place, a great user experience with a great and easy to use platform, UI, also real-time access, and the best cost because we have these items in stock. We import them from China with the best quality and the best supplier. We have a partnership with them, and we're the solely implementators here in the US. But most importantly, you have 24/7 support, live support. So you can call us anytime that you need help. And we also offer a solution that is connected with the emergency response teams like the firefighters and the police officers. What do you think about this solution?
No, actually I like it. I mean, yeah, it's what I want to. I want just to feel secure in my home.
Excellent. I think we have what you need, Mr. Romero. I don't know if you have any additional doubts or questions I can assist you with today.
Yeah, I mean, if I maybe pay you today, how long will it take to have all my house installed?
Our process is as quick as 1 week. From the day we assess your place until it has been installed is 1 week. So the robber that came finds a surprise at home, a new system working.
Okay, thank you, Mauricio.
Thank you, Mr. Romero. One more thing is to set up a new appointment, maybe to close this deal and talk about costs.
Yeah.
Is that good for you?
Yeah.
Let's book a meeting for next week.
No, actually, I really wanted maybe tomorrow morning.
Tomorrow morning, you're right. Tomorrow morning.
Yeah. Thank you, Mauricio.
Thank you, Mr. Romero. Alright, team, let's wrap it up remembering the core takeaways from today's session. First, start by assessing the current situation of our client. Second, confirm the potential fit using the Are We a Fit whiteboard. Third, challenge the status quo by presenting today versus tomorrow whiteboard, spotting the current risks. Fourth, highlight today's pain points, making the threats tangible and urgent. Fifth, envision the future with the benefits of our solution. And lastly, address their question with clarity and steer them towards a decision or a next meeting. At Smartech, this is how we create our roadmap to success. Thank you for choosing Smartech.